Bose Airdopes 461 TWS earbuds with 6mm dynamic drivers launched, priced at 2,999 rupees. Bose has launched the Airdopes 461 true wireless earbuds in India. The earbuds have a sleek design and come with a charging case. The Bose Airdopes 461 offer up to 46 hours of playback with a charging case and up to 6 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. The TWS earbuds support fast charging and come with specific modes to tune out the ambient noise. The Bose Airdopes 461 offer an operating range of 10 meters. Bose Airdopes 461 price. The new Bose Airdopes 461 TWS earbuds will be priced at 2,999 rupees as part of an introductory offer. They will go on sale via the Bose website and Flipkart on October 16, i.e. during the Big Billion Day sale. The Bose Airdopes 461 TWS earbuds are available in active black and bold blue color options. Bose Airdopes 461 features. Possibly the biggest highlight of the Bose Airdopes 461 is the battery life. The company touts the earbuds to last up to 46 hours with the charging case, thanks to the 600 mAh battery integrated inside. Without the charging case, the Bose Airdopes 461 can offer up to 6 hours of continuous playback on a single charge with the 60 mAh battery, one each bud. The charging case also features the ASAP fast charge technology that claims to offer a playback time of 60 minutes with just 5 minutes of charging. To fully charge, the Bose earbuds take about 1.5 hours. The Airdopes 461 feature the company's IWP technology for instant pairing upon opening the case. This tech pairs the earbuds to the last source instantly. The Bose Airdopes 461 come with Crystal Mode that allows you to hear the ambient noise around you. Crystal Mode toggles the dual mics, which then lets you listen to the sounds around you. There is also a new Beast Mode that tunes the sound and latency to offer an immersive experience during gaming or watching movies. Connectivity options include Bluetooth V5, and the operating range of the earbuds is 10 meters. Each earbud features dynamic 6mm drivers and dual microphones. The Bose Airdopes 461 TWS earbuds weigh 5.07 grams each, and with a charging case they weigh about 43 grams. They support Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant voice assistants and are IPX5 rated as well. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.